Hello friends, in this video, today I will show you how to add or remove PowerPoint page number for Mac or Windows user. So if you are using Windows or Mac, any device to insert page number, click on this header and footer. So firstly, select this insert tab, then header and footer. Check this box slide number. You can see here preview. Also guys, you can add date and time here. Then click on apply to all. To remove this number, again click on header and footer. Uncheck this box. Apply to all. So thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe the channel.